Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If your TV is creating the cracking sound or the popping sound, then this video is for you. How you can actually fix it or why it is occurring. So, for sets television or other television using a combination of metal and plastic materials in their sets. So these materials are subject to expansion and contraction due to temperature changes. With expansion or contraction, you may occasionally hear popping or cracking sound. These noises are completely harmless and will not affect your TV's operation or damage the unit. So the popping or cracking noise you hear after the turn off your TV are caused by different parts inside the TV contracting as they cool. It is caused by the thermal expansion. The metal chassis of the TV goes through during the warm-up phase. These sounds are normal and happen in a variety of different environments. So you don't need to be worried about these issues or these sounds. But if it's occurring after turning on your TV, so you can do is you can just cool down your TV. For sometimes you can turn off, plug your power cable from your power sockets that are mounted on your wall, so you can plug it out, and you have to wait until 5 to 10 minutes to cool down your TV or the hardware that is included in your TV. After that, you can plug it back again, and you can see if it's the problem or error is persist or not. If this issue is persist, then you should do is you should try to change your HDMI port, HDMI cable. You have to change that HDMI cable with a new one and see if it solved or not. Or if it doesn't solve yet and it is continuously giving you popping or cracking, then continuous giving these sounds can be a harder issue in this TV. So you have to do is you have to contact your TV provider or the company customer support, whatever TV you're using, like Samsung, LG, TCL, or any type of TV that you are currently using. So you have to contact with the provider customer support and try if it's under the warranty period, then you can get a free repair or replacement also. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.